Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how compiler make an objective code when we compile our source code. Okay, so I already installed the GCSync compiler on my laptop, which I will show you in my next video how to install it. So first of all, I suggest you whenever you write your programs, always save your programs in a specific folder so that it become easy for you to find them and run them with the specific directory in command prompt. Okay, so that's why today I'm going to make a new folder so that I can save my all C++ programs in that one. So I'm going to make a new folder in my C drive. Where is my C drive? Here it is. So I'm going to save my new folder on my desktop. Here I'm going to make it. Okay, so okay, you can save your folder with any name, so I'm just going to save it with programming. So you can see here, like, this folder is empty. Okay, so our next step is to write the program. Okay, so I'm just going to open up my notepad. Okay, here we go. You can also use notepad plus plus if you have. Okay, okay, so here I'm taking example of one C++ program to teach the concept of compiler. Okay, so I'm just going to write one simple program which will print only, the hello world. Okay, okay, this is our simple program and this program will print hello world. Okay, so now I'm going to save this program in the same folder which I made before. Okay, I'm going to save this program in the same folder with name hello. Okay, so this is the C++ program. Then you have to save this program with cpp extension. Okay, hello.cpp, and you have to select all files. Okay, then save it. Okay, now I saved my C++ program on my desktop in programming folder. Okay, so now I want to see my program. Okay, here's the program. So now I'm going to open my command prompt because I want to run this program. Okay, I just write cmd right there. I'm just going to open command prompt. So this is our command prompt where I will run my program. So okay, so I'm using GCC compiler for C++ language. So the command to run this program is g++, then name of the file, which is hello.cpp. It is taking time. Okay, so I just run my program right there. You can see here nothing happened, means we didn't get the output from hello.cpp. What was our program? Our program was hello world program that will print hello world when we run it. but when I run this hello.cpp, it didn't do anything, right? So why nothing happened? You can um, just think about it. Why nothing happened right there? Because I already taught you that compiler converts the source code into machine code before it can be run on CPU. Like C++ is written in words, right? In human readable language. So but computer only understand machine language, right? So compiler convert this code into machine code before it can be run on CPU according to the definition of compiler, right? Source code will be converted into machine code, then machine code will be run on CPU, right? So where is our machine code made when we run our hello.cpp file? You can see here we were having only hello.cpp file, right? But when I run this program, a new file has been generated, right? Before that, you can see that I have only cellular.cpp file, but when I run this command g++ hello.cpp, it generated a new file that is our objective code. Okay, according to the definition, you can see right there, when our source code is compiled by a compiler, which we compiled right there, a new file should be generated, which is this one, A, and this A file will be run on CPU. Okay, now I'm going to run this file. I'm just going to write A. Okay, when I enter it, it will give an output which is hello world. It is giving an output to me, hello world. Okay, so this is um, clearing the definition of a compiler. I'm using GCC compiler on my laptop to run C++ program. When I run it, it generate a new file A, okay, which is our objective code, which you can say a machine code. When we run a file on my command prompt, it is giving output to me, right? So now the definition of a compiler is clear. What compiler do? Compiler generate a new file from a source code, right? When we compile our source code, compiler generate a new file on your laptop, on your system, okay, and that would be run on CPU, and we will get an output by running that objective file or objective code. Okay, so this is the definition. I think everything is clear to you. If you find any doubt, you can comment below. I will definitely reply you back as soon as possible. Okay, okay, this is the topic for today.